Bonjour, ani miskasaiga nenga shinabe. Minugisha ka nongol. Mimina wika kanun nagoya kosin be baya magak. Kino indama shkunin kanina chan gamisem. Chan chakanawini tisoi, mina chan chakana mego gita na maganewa. He kawa mina ke mashawa chan chakana maga. Gamasida mashkawasida. Today is Wednesday, May 27, 2020. Statewide, the numbers are as follows. 22,464 tested positive. Of those, 2,487 are healthcare workers. 16,314 no longer in need of isolation and on their way to recovery. 932 have passed on. 759 of those deaths resided in long-term care or assisted living facilities. In hospital update, as of morning of May 27th, the Red Lake Hospital has tested 175 patients and is holding at 1 positive. We ask for your continued cooperation with the contact tracing process and recommendations for quarantine. We would like to clarify the quarantine process as there seems to be some confusion around who needs to do this. First, if you need to quarantine because of exposure, you will be told to do so by a healthcare provider or someone from the contact tracing team. Second, if a friend or a family member tells you that you have been exposed, you should go home, stay home, and call us immediately for further instructions at 679-3912. Based on the information we get from you, we can clarify whether quarantine is necessary. Third, exposure requires direct contact with the person that tested positive for an extended period of time in the 2 days prior to them showing symptoms or testing positive. If you are not in direct contact with the person that tested positive during the infectious period, you do not have to quarantine. Please continue to call our nurse hotline at 679-3912 if you have respiratory symptoms such as fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, or you think you may have been exposed. Border security report. No major incidents. Borders are good. 6 overdoses. 3 Memorial Day. Over the weekend, the total reported from PD was 6 overdoses through Memorial Day. We still have a continued drug problem on our reservation. Native saying, walk tall as the trees, live strong as the mountains, be gentle as the spring winds, keep the warmth of summer in your heart. The Great Spirit will always be with you. And I want to continue telling you to be careful because of this coronavirus, COVID-19. It's contagious. Please wear your face masks when you go out of town shopping because you never know who you'll meet. So take care of yourselves, take care of your relatives, take care of your children. Stay strong and be brave. Kawabamininim, minoa, be good.